Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore Healthshare programs and how they compare to traditional health insurance options under the Affordable Care Act, ACA. Let's get started. First, if you're unfamiliar with the Healthshare concept, Healthshares are organizations that facilitate the sharing of healthcare costs among their members who have common ethical or religious beliefs. Healthshares are not health insurance. These are groups of like-minded individuals who come together to share medical expenses in a mutually beneficial way. Contrary to what some might think, Healthshares are not a new phenomenon. They've been helping members avoid financial catastrophe for decades and have gained popularity due to the rising cost of traditional health insurance under the Affordable Care Act, ACA. Health insurance rates continue to increase, and there's no indication that this trend will slow down anytime soon. This demand for lower-cost alternatives has led millions of Americans to join Healthshare programs. Collectively, these programs have paid out billions in medical expenses, offering members a more affordable and reliable way to manage healthcare costs. Healthshares are considerably more affordable than ACA plans, except for those receiving significant government subsidies. Another advantage is that Healthshares often use in-house negotiation teams to secure lower medical costs and grant access to large PPO provider networks, giving members more flexibility in choosing doctors and facilities nationwide. Many people are drawn to Healthshares because they don't force you to pay for services that may not align with your needs or values, such as contraception, abortion, or substance abuse treatment. Although Healthshares are not health insurance, they serve the same purpose and use unique terminology, as shown on this video. Unlike traditional insurance, most Healthshare programs require members to agree to a statement of principles or beliefs. For example, let's look at the JHS Community Statement. I believe every member has a fundamental and religious right to worship God in their own way. I believe it is my religious and ethical obligation to share in the burden of others when they need assistance according to my current resources and opportunities. I believe in sharing in a common, caring community of like-minded individuals with the need to come together regardless of race, age, gender, or political affiliation. I believe it is my obligation to care for my family and that emotional, mental, and physical abuse of any kind to a family member or to anyone else is morally wrong. Some Healthshare organizations have more religious-based statements, particularly Christian-oriented ones, while others are non-religious and open to all who align with their core values. Healthshares are best suited for individuals and families who lead a healthy, clean lifestyle. However, Healthshares typically require a health review to qualify, and pre-existing conditions may have waiting periods or limited sharing options. Unlike ACA plans, preventive care may not be free, and coverage for services such as mental health treatment or substance abuse recovery varies by provider. Most Healthshares allow you to see the doctor of your choice, as compared to the restrictive HMO networks that most health insurance plans use. One of the biggest advantages of Healthshare programs is affordability. For example, the national average cost for an ACA Silver plan for a family of 4, parents age 50 with 2 kids, is over $2,000 per month, with an annual max out-of-pocket cost of over $18,000. In contrast, a comprehensive Healthshare plan with a $1,000 IUA can cost as little as $735 per month for that same family, saving over $15,000 per year. Let's recap. Healthshares are a low-cost alternative to ACA health insurance. Groups of like-minded people share medical expenses. No ACA tax penalties. No open enrollment period, join anytime. Stable, long-term healthcare solution. Healthshares are ideal for health-conscious individuals and families, but you must qualify based on health history. Pre-existing conditions may have limitations. Some services may have waiting periods. Best of all, you can enroll at any time. You don't have to wait for open enrollment. If your current ACA plan is too expensive and has high deductibles, imagine switching to a more affordable plan that meets your needs, saving you $400 to $500 per month or more. What could you do with that extra cash? Probably something more beneficial than paying high insurance premiums. That concludes our webinar. If you're ready to take control of your healthcare and start saving money, contact us today at info@hsaforamerica.com or give us a call at 800-913-0172. Our team is standing by and looks forward to helping you.